You guys see the new news from Canopy Growth? So I had to break this news first because that's kind of what we do. We break the news first. So this is what's trending, guys. Here it is. This is the big news. It's trending everywhere, so we might as well break it first. Hundreds out of work. Wow. Leaving hundreds out of work. 500 of approximately 500 positions. Canopy Growth CEO David Klein said in a statement that a review by the company found that the BC facilities are no longer essential to its cultivation footprint. Wow. Nearly 17 months after the creation of the across the industry, Klein said. Steve McLean, who has worked for Canopy Growth since September of last year, says employees were notified on Tuesday of a big meeting scheduled for the following day. At that meeting, employees were basically told that everyone's terminated. What is going on? What is going on with Canopy Growth? 500 jobs. 500 jobs. This news is everywhere, guys. This news is literally everywhere. In addition, the company no longer plans to bring a third greenhouse online in Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario. These actions are part of the company's effort to align supply and demand while improving production efficiencies over time. The greenhouses in BC account for approximately 3 million square feet of licensed production space and were put into commission beginning in February 2018 after a period of phased retrofitting to help Canopy Growth scale up to supply the new Canadian adult use market. Nearly 17 months after the creation of the legal adult use market, the Canadian recreational market has developed slower than anticipated, creating working capital and profitability challenges across the industry. Additionally, federal regulations permitted outdoor cultivations were introduced after the company made significant investments in greenhouse production. The company now operates an outdoor production site to allow for more cost-effective cultivation. This is probably a good thing because their cost per gram was way too high. Following an organizational strategic review of production capacity and forecasted demand, the company announced today that these facilities in Aldergrove and Delta, British Columbia, are no longer essential to its cultivation footprint. So what happens to 3 million square feet? Someone else going to use that? When I joined Canopy Growth earlier this year, I committed to focusing the business and aligning its resources to meet the needs of our customers, shared Canopy Growth CEO David Klein. Today's decision moves us in this direction, and although the decision to close these facilities was not taken lightly, we know this is a necessary step to ensure that we maintain our leadership position for the long term. Along with the rest of the management team, I want to sincerely thank the members of the team affected by this decision for their work and commitment to building Canopy Growth. Along with the announcement, the company expects, based upon information currently available to management, to record estimated pre-tax charges of approximately $700 million to $800 million in the quarter ending. What am I reading? March 31st, 2020, reflecting today's announcement, as well as additional changes related to its organizational and strategic review. $700 million to $800 million in pre-tax charges? That's just nuts. All figures reported above with respect to the quarter ending March 31st, 2020 are preliminary and are unaudited and subject to change and adjustment as the company prepares its consolidated financial statements for the year ending March 31st, 2020. Accordingly, investors are cautioned not to place undue reliance on the foregoing information. The company does not intend to provide preliminary results in the future. The preliminary results provided in this news release constitute forward-looking statements. Wow. I honestly don't even know what to think about this. This is a bad press release. Wow. Pluto Mine says gram prices are down. Yeah, they have to reduce their cost per gram. So they're going to grow outdoor to be able to reduce their cost per gram, because these facilities, for whatever reason, their cost per gram was way too high. And I haven't heard anybody say that they like Canopy Growth's product. So, you know, I have no idea how these companies are making money because nobody's buying their products. I don't get it. Where's the 100 million or 200 million or whatever they're making? Where's it coming from? Because people are still going to the black market. Like, a lot of people are going to the black market. Sheldon Snow says, good, their cost per gram is terrible. Yeah, it is. And this is big news. This is literally trending everywhere. Love to know what you guys think about this. What's your guys' opinion on this? And do you think that Canopy Growth is going to go up or down based on this news? Does anybody know what they're doing pre-market right now? Does anybody see what they're doing? Let's see. See if anything shows up here. I see they're down. CGC's at 1770 right now. Does anybody see anything different? Lucky Dog says, too many politicians and ex-cops involved. J80 says, black market weed is better than any LP's weed. Yeah, I mean, that's what a lot of people are saying. I don't know what to say, man. These guys can't compete. And I've been telling them they have to lower their price. Now everybody's lowering their prices. I didn't get any checks in the mail for my consulting services. Now everybody's lowering their prices, and they're realizing they got to lower their prices to compete with the black market. You don't say. Where'd you get that idea? Where'd you get that idea, Canopy Growth? Where'd you get that idea, Aurora Cannabis? Where'd you get the idea to lower your cost per gram? I wonder. And I promise you this, until you get a $100 ounce, you ain't going to compete. You ain't going to compete unless you got a $100 ounce, because the black market's selling ounces for $100. So I got news for you guys. If you want to compete, you got to get that cost per gram a little bit down. You got to be at about $3 per gram. And you got to make money. You got to be at $3 per gram, and you got to make money if you want to get rid of the black market. Just giving you some free advice. Send the check in the mail. All right? Lucky Dog says, weed in my closet is almost done. They can't compete. JJ says, they only compete with convenience. Mullen Martovaz says, not holding CGC, Afria is the winner. My top three are Afria, Labs, and Valens. I love those three. Love them. Absolutely love them. Right now at these prices, Valens, Labs, and Afria. No, I'm talking about they have to sell it for $3 a gram. I'm not saying produce it for $3 a gram. Zenabis is already producing for way less than $1 a gram. I'm talking about selling it for $3 a gram. If you want to compete with the black market, you got to sell for $3 a gram. $5 a gram is too much. 28 grams in an ounce. Do the math. $3 a gram if you want to beat the black market. $3 a gram, LPs. $3 a gram. So you got to make money. You got to produce it, make money, pay your taxes, pay the government for $3 a gram. Yo, why do we got 37 people here on one like? Are you serious? I don't even need to be here right now. I'm doing this for you guys. One like? 37 people? Come on, man. Seriously? I wasn't even planning to go live. I'm just going live because I thought I'd help you guys learn the news. And we don't, okay, 15 likes. That's better. From 1 to 15 like that. You guys know what it is. You guys know what it is. Your boy's live. Think I was planning to go live right now? I got like ripped jeans and, you know, I ain't suited up or anything like that. You know what I mean? I'm just, this news came live, so I thought I'd bring it live and interactive. We're live, we're interactive, man. We live and we interactive. You know what I mean? I'm serious. I got ripped jeans and shit. Look at this. I got holes in my jeans. The cannabis sector put me in a situation. I got holes in my fucking jeans. Look at what you doing, Canopy Growth. Oh, man. So what do you guys think of this news, man? 500 jobs gone in Vancouver. Those are people that have families, kids. Jobs gone, dusted, gone. Hey, man, come join the team, man. Come join the team. Just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. I'd love for you guys to trade with me. At gmail.com. Email me and let's go. I don't know why you guys are not part of the dream team right now. Let's trade. Let's trade, man. I'm going to help you guys build your social media empire. I'm going to help you guys learn how to trade. I'm going to help you guys make money on gold up. You're going to make money on gold down. You're going to make money on Bitcoin up. You're going to make money on Bitcoin down. You're going to know how the market's doing before the market opens up. And it's all on your phone. It's all on your phone. I was just on the phone with one of our members, Latoya. We're going to start doing videos together. I'm really excited about that. She's excited about building her team, building her trading academy, and growing her business. And I'm excited about helping you guys grow your businesses and create success and financial freedom for yourselves, because that's what I'm doing for myself, and I'd love to help you do it for yourself. Hey, Rain, thank you for being a member of the Rich TV Live Academy, man, and the community. I appreciate it. Nothing happened to Invest in Millennial, man. She's busy. I'm busy. Everybody's busy, man. It's hard, man. She's busy, man. She's working for Tesla. She's doing big things. That's a talented lady right there, man. And when she finds time in her schedule to call her and holler at me, we'll get her back on the show. But yeah, I think Invest in Millennial is amazing, and I'd love to have her back. Invest in Millennial, if you're watching, let's do it again soon. I know she's busy, man. She's university, you know, like smart girl, working at Tesla. She's busy, man. Like every time I call her, she's busy. So I'm just like, you know what? You do your thing. I'll do my thing. When you have time, we'll connect and we'll do it again. A lot of these LPs just screwing this up, man. A lot of LPs are screwing this up. Me, myself says the only way the cannabis sector can win is if Bernie Sanders gets elected, which I don't see happening. Trump and Biden are not going to help the sector. This is why Dan Bilzerian is coming to Canada with bills. This is why Halo Labs is coming to Canada with Halo. By the way, you guys seen Halo? Halo's been flying. You guys seen MindMed? 85% up today. Hello, Kevin O'Leary invested in MindMed. I personally interviewed the CEO yesterday. Stay tuned to that video. And the man himself in the cannabis sector, Bruce Linton, is on the board of MindMed. Symbol MMED. They exploded today. The first psychedelics company ever publicly traded. MindMed. Mind Medicine. I like Namaste. I like Bills too. I think Dan Bilzerian coming to Canada is brilliant. There's so many people who are fans of Dan Bilzerian, including myself. And I'll test this product. I'm guaranteeing you that a lot of people will buy his product because he's famous. Famous people will sell products because they're famous. That's just the way it works. So you put their name, you put their face on a product, and people buy it. It's just the way it works. Peter B says, you think MindMed is going to keep ripping? I think there's a very good chance. I think there's a very good chance it could keep ripping. But there's a lot of shares. So that's the reason why I didn't buy it. I didn't know it was going to rip up 85% today. If I knew, I would have bought it, to be honest with you. But when I spoke to the CEO and he told me they had over 200 million shares, I was like, oh, it's a lot of shares. And then skyrocket. I was like, oh my goodness, my heart. So I'll be watching it tomorrow, man. And I'll probably buy it tomorrow. I'm not going to lie, at least 1,000 shares. Why the hell not? Let's go for a ride. Why the hell not? You know what I mean? Markets should be fun. Trading should be fun. It should be entertaining. It should be fun. And I think we make it that way. These cannabis companies, a lot of them have not made it fun. It's been a nightmare. And Canopy Growth was saved by billions of dollars. If it wasn't for that, they'd probably be out of business already. They'd probably be out of business already if it wasn't for the billions and billions and billions of dollars that they have backing them. Because, man, they're up nicely today. They had a big day. Brent says, rich, VTIQ. Got to look. This is the next Tesla for semis. VTIQ. Let me pull it up. VTIQ. VTIQ. I'll write that shit down too. Trust me. You guys give me picks, I write them down. Believe me. I write them all down. I write everything down. Or at least try to. VTIQ. You know I'll write down your picks, Brent, because I know your picks are pretty solid. Vectoig Acquisition Corp. VTIQ at 1470, up 27%. Wow. VTIQ. What is this? Is this a NASDAQ stock? 16 million shares. Wow. Marto is a member of the Rich TV community here on YouTube. Thank you for joining. And if you want to join the Rich TV Live Academy, the Trading Academy, just email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. And I'd love to have you guys be a part of the team. Lucky Dog says VTIQ is 1584 after hours. Nice. I like those picks, Brent. Good job, Brent. You're a beast. Next green wave. I like next green wave, but you know, this cannabis sector's been beat up, right? So you just got to invest in the best right now because the entire sector is really beat up. Roy says, thanks, Rich, for IBIO. Made over 5K just today. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Members making money. I like it, man. 5K a day keeps the doctor away, brother. 5K a day keeps the doctor away. Let's go. That's what I want to be about, man. I want to go live. I want to go interactive, and I want to be making money. I want you guys making money, and I want to ride the momentum. And we're going to do trend reversals, and we're going to do momentum trading. Straight up. And through the Trading Academy, I can do both up and down, make money up and down, and I can trade Forex. I can trade indexes. I can trade stocks. I could trade gold, I could trade Bitcoin, I could trade Ripple, I could trade Ethereum, I could trade silver, I could trade oil and gas, palladium, anything and everything. So if you're with me, let's go. What are you waiting for? I've already received 2 promotions in the Trading Academy. I'm now a Platinum 600, which means I make 600 US a month of residual income. It's not bad, an extra 10 G's a year, but I want to make 100 G's a year residual income. And I want to show you guys how, and I want to teach you guys how. And I want to work with you guys. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm doing. A lot of you guys are already working with me. We got like 23 members that are part of the Rich TV Live Trading Academy, and that number is growing. And I actually have a training at 6 in less than an hour, so I got to go. So I wasn't planning to go live, but Canopy Growth broke this news, so I thought I'd just go live with it. Thank you guys for being here with me. We got 50 people here, 31 likes. Thank you for the likes. Uber, I like Uber. BOSQF, Boss, a possible mushroom stock. Yes. MindMed up 90% today. Pumptastic. Any revenues? No. No. Brent says, did you see that Anheuser-Busch as its largest partner right now? This is going to feed the transportation for tractor trailers, no gas. I like it. I like the way you're thinking, Brent. Very smart. Very smart. Lucky Dog says TRNX. You like TRNX? All right, guys, I got to run. I got another trading with the members of my training academy. If you want to join the training academy, you want to trade with your boy, I'm helping members build social media empires. I'm helping you guys set up your YouTube accounts. I'm helping you guys build your trading academies. I'm helping you guys make money on gold. Helping you guys making money on Bitcoin. I'm helping you guys make money on stocks, penny stocks, NASDAQ stocks. I bought Space today at 23 bucks. You guys see Space? I bought the dip, baby. So I got myself shares on Space. I bought Visa today, and I'm going to be buying more big board stocks because I want our community buying big board stocks. I want us buying big board stocks. I want us buying gold. I want us buying gold stocks. I want us buying the best coronavirus stocks, the hottest cannabis stocks, the hottest stocks. We're going to buy them. And gold and Bitcoin, and we're going to ride it through the Trading Academy. We got all the tools, all the resources right here, right now. I don't like this news. I don't like it when a company cuts 500 jobs and has a $700 to $800 million write-down. I just don't see how that's good news. AKA Bud Light Budweiser. That's huge, bro. That's huge. I'm going to look into it, bro. You know me. I might even do a video. I've been doing lots lately. So stay tuned. We got a lot of things coming, a lot of things happening. I got to go. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Canopy Growth, 500 jobs cut, $700 to $800 million in write-downs. Oh, man, it's probably going to go down tomorrow, guys. Just saying.